Hello everyone. This is Saturday, August the 27th, 2022 at 9 p.m. in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And we are supposed to be having a really large fireworks display tonight. So I'm down here on the waterfront, just looking across that Halifax. The fireworks are going to be fired off of barges out in the harbor. So I should be able to get a really good view. I'm hoping that we'll get a good view of the fireworks tonight. And I thought I'd just take a few minutes here and show you some of the sights around here. I'm gonna walk around this area for just a minute or two, and then I'll come back and then we'll wait for time for the fireworks. All right, so here we go. So you can see it's kind of dark here, but we got quite a crowd of people that's down here for this event. It ought to be a lot of fun. I got music playing over there in the background, so I'm not going to go down any farther that way. You can see the bridge over there, the McDonald Bridge in the background, and the city over here. So I'm going back up because the music is really loud down here, and I don't want to get into trouble with copyright issues. So I'm going to go back up here and get away from that music and wait for the fireworks to begin. My wife and my son are down here with me, and here is my wife standing right here. My son's over here. Huh?
We're saving your spot.
Good. I didn't dare go any farther. The music's too loud down there.
Yep.
So I stay up this way. So nice skyline looking across the water here. It's a really nice night out. I'm not anticipating, there's some clouds, but not supposed to be any rain. So it should be good. It should have a good night down here. Let's see if I can zoom up a little bit on the skyline.
Just before your nanny and I went away.
I might even leave it zoomed up, depending on how far away the fireworks are.
Number 3 highway to get to it. So I said, okay. So we got down there and she wanted to buy a coat.
Yeah, I imagine they'll be up in the sky somewhere around there.
Well, why don't instead of going back the same way, we came down on the bikes. She said, why don't we go over to Kentville? I mean, I didn't care. So we cut across the country almost. We got to Kentville. We had something to eat, then we came home on the other side, but down through the 101 into Mount Uniacke, and then the rest of it.
There, now you can see the bridge better. I zoomed it up a little bit. Yeah. All right, so there we are, the water and the harbor and the bridge in the background.
Almost 6 o'clock.
The north end.
So we were on the bikes the whole day. We're on the bikes.
Downtown and south end. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it back off for now so I don't bore everybody to death. And we'll turn it back on once the fireworks starts, okay? So I just wanted to make sure I was all set up here. All right, I'll turn it right back on a little bit before the fireworks starts. Okay, we are down to about 3.5 minutes before the fireworks starts. So I thought I'd just get everything ready and go and make sure it's all working good. And so just hang in there if you don't see any fireworks yet. This is going to be a really good fireworks display. It's supposed to be the best one ever in Halifax, and like it's going to be better than most fireworks shows. So this is billed as a great fireworks show. So you should enjoy it. And we got a huge crowd down here. I'll just show you some of the crowd. Look at the crowd of people all down here. And behind me, it's all full of people. And And we got a few other video people here with their gear set up. And some are doing social media and things and Instagrams and Facebook and all kinds of stuff. So Halifax in the background there.
Just don't blink. Just don't blink. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's better. More.
How's your time?
You got 1 minute.
The fireworks are supposed to start in 1 minute. So hang in here. It won't be long till the first firework starts. Somewhere right over there. That's where you're going to see the fireworks.
I got it all with a nice white thing. I'm not sure what it looks like. Get it.
So if I want to tip it back one more little bit. I wasn't focused when the first one went off, but now we're ready.
It's only the warning.
Now we're ready. Excitement builds. And we're about to get our big fireworks show. And this is not even a holiday. This is just an extra fireworks show they came up with. Are they hearts? everything. Woo! I say that might be the grand finale. This thing's been going 14 and a half minutes, non-stop. Non-stop fireworks for 14 and a half minutes. There might be more, but that might be it. Look at all the smoke in the air.
I know, you can see all the smoke.
Wow.
I think that was it.
I think that was it. That was well worth it though. That was non-stop. Wow. I see a plane up there. Oh, is it? That's a good drone. That's licensed to be up there. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah.
Don't forget you are like and subscribe.
Yes. Okay. This was fantastic. We're going to close off this video now because it's a short video, but that was all we were doing tonight. So if you enjoyed these fireworks and like this video, push that like. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I'd love it if you just push that subscribe and become a subscriber. It doesn't cost anything, but it will help out immensely. So with that, you have a great day. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you all on the next video. Bye for now.